this is Stephanie with Travefy, and today we are going to show you how to build a cruise itinerary on Travefy. Now first what we're going to do is we have this itinerary set up, but now we want to add information. So what I'm going to do first is I want to add the pre-hotel for the cruise. To do so, all I have to do is press New Event here, select Lodging, and then I can simply start to type in the name of the hotel that they will be staying at. And then you can find it here in the drop-down menu. I will select that. And then I can also add the check-in time and the checkout time if I wanted, or you can keep it blank. I can also add the checkout date, which I will leave here. And then once I'm ready to go, I'm just going to say Add to Itinerary. And there it is added. And now I want to hop into Saturday and I want to add that cruise. So to add a cruise, what you want to do is first be in the day that that cruise departs on, and then you're going to simply press New Event, and then you're going to select Cruise. From here, you can then search our cruise lines list, which is over 30 cruise lines in here, and you can search for it and then search for the cruise ship as well. From here, you will be able to confirm what cruise it is and press Get Itinerary. And this is going to show you an overview of everything that Travefy is going to add to this itinerary. And once you're ready to add it, you're just going to simply press Add to Itinerary. Now what's going to be added is you're going to get all the ports of call and information from the supplier. So you can see here as I scroll through each day. Now the next thing I want to share with you is how you can import booking information from Shore Trips. Now we do integrate with Shore Trips directly, so I'm going to take you into a new itinerary so I can show you how this works. Now I'm currently using a testing account, so that's why I have to hop into a new itinerary. Otherwise you would stay in the same itinerary and add your booking information the way that I'm going to show you right now. And when you're ready to add it, what you're going to do is you're just going to press New Event, select Booking. From here, you can choose from our supplier list, and I'm going to choose Shore Trips. Then what I can do is I can enter the link ID and the booking number, and then simply press Get Booking. It's going to tell you right here what we have found, and then it's going to allow you to add it directly to your itinerary. And here it is. Now the next thing that I want to show you is I want to show you how you can add more information like photos and content to this itinerary. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to pull photos from any website. So in this case, I want to actually add more photos to the cruise ship information. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to go to the website, which is in this case Norwegian Cruise Line, and I'm just going to copy that URL. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this event of this cruise departing. And you can do that by simply pressing that pencil icon, and this will bring you into the edit mode of this event. Now what I can do is right under photos, I can click here and choose to add more photos. Now you can see I have different options when adding them, but I'm going to select the website option. So that way I can actually just go ahead and copy and paste that URL. And here you'll see that Travefy is going to scrape these images from the website for me. So now I can choose to add these. So I can choose up to 5 images. So I can just say, okay, I want that one and this one, that one, and one more. And then I can just simply press Save Changes, and there they are. Once I'm done with this, I can press Done. And there you can see how quick and easy I just added these images to this event. Now you can also pull free stock photos if you want to add any to ports of call. So I'm going to go into one of the ports of call here, and I want to go ahead and add some photos. So again, I'm going to press that pencil icon. I can come in right here where it says Photos. And then I'm just going to use Travefy's database here to pull in images. So I'm just going to type in Bahamas, and I'm just going to search for really great, rich images in here that I can use. Once I'm done, I can simply press Save Changes. And then when I'm done with that, I'll click Done. And there you can see I just pulled in these images for this event. So you can see how simple it is to really add more information to these ports of call and this itinerary. Now, one last thing that I want to share is the option to add city guides. Now, you can always add city guides if you're on the Plus subscription plan. And you can add city guides to ports of call or, pre and post cruise information. So in this case, they are going to be in Miami first. So if I wanted, I could come over here under city guides, search for the city that I need, and then I can drag and drop in an entire city guide, or I can choose to add just certain sections. So you can see I will add the city here, and you can see all this rich information that pulls in. Now you can choose to add as many sections as you'd like in here. Now, to pull this all together, I want to go ahead and show you what this looks like, and I'm going to do so by showing it to you on the URL version. So this is what it'll look like for our clients if we were to send this as a URL, and you can see all this rich information that pulls in that we just quickly added in 5 minutes or less. Now, I hope you enjoyed this cruise webinar. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out at professional@travefy.com, and we can help you put together any of your itineraries or cruise itinerary.